Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. We are here at Stella Nova Resort, and I'm gonna give you a full room tour, so come along and join us. But first, we'll turn on these lights though. It's a little dark in here. All right, so let's start with our little tour. So it looks like right here, you got your little closet here. Pretty nice. I mean, I'm not gonna use it, just be me for the next few days, but just wanna show y'all for future references when you stay here at Universal. You got your safe right here. Probably use a safe. Get your little stuff to iron your clothes. And got your thermostat. We're gonna set that down to 70. All right, come over here. You got your two beds, pretty comfortable. And of course you got the space in a galaxy far, far away. I'm not gonna show y'all right there just yet. I'm gonna set it for last. But of course you got your little welcoming party here. And my favorite thing here, you got your little alarm clock, you got your USB ports right here. You can never go wrong. You can't have too many USB ports. But of course you got some outlets over here. And let's see over here. Oh, yep, you do. And it looks like you have a little light right here. Not sure if it's already on or not. Oh, yep, just turn it on. So we're gonna come on down this way. I'm not sure what this does. I think it's the light. I wanna say this is. Let's look under here. No, not a light. So I'm not really sure what this is for. I thought it was a light. Huh, okay. Nope, my mistake. I thought it was a light. So come along, let's go along this way. Of course, you got your little lights right here. And you got your sink. How are you doing, guys? Got your little facial stuff, toilet paper, and you got the little bathroom here. Now, I love how they got these little new shampoo. You got your body wash and conditioner. The one thing I hate bath soaps. So I wish they would do like a body wash as well, but you know, that's just me. And we'll go ahead and do a flush test. Not too bad. Okay, so along this way, I'm gonna show you all the grand sightseeing. There you go. Epic Universe. Oh, I cannot wait. Got an awesome view. Oh, I see it. There's Stardust right there. Woo. And of course there's Helios. I really wanted to stay there, but I just didn't feel like $500 a night was really worth it. It's just me. So I mean, for me, I'm staying here for the 4 nights for the same price as one night at Helios. So I chose to stay an extra night at Stella Nova and having a grand time. So we're gonna have lots of adventures. But yeah, guys, I just wanted to show you this. We're gonna do another tour, another video showing you all the whole resort. But yeah, there's a parking. And I will say parking is $30, but of course I'll do that in another video as well. But just want to show you the room though. Okay, enough talking about Epic Universe. So you got your little table here. You can for several laptops. You got a little thinking chairs you want to sit around, and of course you got more USB ports and a phone if you need to make any calls. And of course you got a pen. I'll probably take that back to work with me. And here's you some good to know stuff. Check it out. How they do their house cleaning. So keep that in mind. You got your coffee maker here. And of course you got a little dresser. So you store all your stuff in here. But yeah, let's do another little walk around just in case you might have missed something. Again, here's your little sink here to do all your stuff. Got your bathroom. Got your door here, and it shows you where all the directions go. Elevator's actually to the left. And I'll show y'all, actually, right there down the hall. So I'm gonna show y'all where I'm staying at. And of course, here's the hall. So you got the down here, and the elevator is down that way. But yeah, let's go back to the room. I'm actually staying here at 9014 on the 9th floor here at Stella Nova. And here it goes, opens up. Here we go. Yeah, that's the grand tour here. Not too bad, like I said. I'd highly recommend staying here. All right, guys, I'm gonna give you all my full review of my thoughts. I give it a tourist rating 4 out of 5. I love it. It's a beautiful resort here. Very budget friendly. You're staying here for a whole bunch of days. Right here at Epic Universe, you can actually walk. It's probably I'd say about a 10-minute walk, maybe 15 minutes, just depending on your walking speed. Of course, you can take the bus there. And I'm gonna show y'all. So yeah, the bus is right here. And right in Epic Universe is right out that way. So yeah, not very far at all. But anyways, like I said, the only con I would say is it's a little bit further from Universal Resort. And I want to say it's probably, I would say about a 20 to 30 minute bus ride. And like I said, it's just going to take time. So that's like you just got to pick and choose. All right, guys, let's go ahead and wrap this up. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe. I'm trying to get to 1,000 before August 31st. Can we get there? If so, we're going to have a epic prize. That's all I'm going to say. But we got to get to 1,000 subscribers first, though. And again, thanks so much for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Leave a comment down below if you like staying here or if you stayed here before, or what other videos you might want to make. Until then, guys, the vlog is out. See you guys in the next one.